Welcome to Arrow on Swanston, serviced apartment situated in Melbourne's Central Business District. Finding the perfect home away from home is key to a relaxing and productive travel experience, whether you're in Melbourne for a night, a week, or longer. Located on Swanston Street in Melbourne City, the serviced apartments are surrounded by the city's top venues for live music, theater, and sporting events, as well as must-see tourist attractions. The apartment building is also within the city's university and hospital precincts. The Queensberry tram stop is just outside. It is a super stop with raised platform for wheelchair access and a tram every 1 to 2 minutes. The busy Central Station is just a 10-minute walk away, and the new State Library Station. With CBD location and easy access to public transport, Arrow on Swanston is the ideal launching pad for all things Melbourne. You will find these comfortable and affordable serviced apartments exactly what you need each time you visit marvelous Melbourne, a destination consistently voted one of the friendliest and most livable cities in the world. Arrow on Swanston offers 114 contemporary, well-appointed serviced apartments. All accommodation is equipped with a contemporary kitchenette with fridge, cooktop, dining table and chairs, study desk, couch or sofa bed, bedside tables and lamps, flat screen TV, mirrored, window S, and your own private bathroom. Most apartments also have a balcony available upon request. Guests have access to resort-style facilities, including beautiful outdoor lap pool, sauna, fully equipped gym, self-service laundry, hair salon, and cafe. There is 24/7 reception, security, and room service is available for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Apartments range from comfortable, affordable studio apartments to stunning 10 new 4-bedroom penthouse apartments with sweeping panoramic city views. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.